Hello everyone, my name is Kate and I hope that you have a very nice day. In today's video I want to talk to you about things that I bought. All these things are under £2. Some of them are rather interesting and some of them are cute. I'm not going to show you all the things that I bought because some of them are rather casual and boring. But the most interesting things I will show you. Basically we have a shop that is called Fixed Price, and before it had all things of one price, for example £1, and everything costs £1, but now it's different. Some things are around £2 and some of them are under £1, so something like that, but everything is less than £2. And the first thing that was very interesting was a beauty blender. It's the original, it's dirty, I'm sorry, and this is the one from this shop, and I could definitely say that it's not as soft as this one, and it's a little bit bigger, if you can see, and yeah, it's very solid and firm, and I think it's not the thin. Yeah, the first thing was a fake beauty blender under £1. The next thing is very interesting. It's a chalk for dyeing your hair, and I need scissors. Scissors. Here it is, and I should read the instruction. Oh my god. Let's try this thing out. It looks like this inside, and oh my god! Do you see it? Let's do one more time. It's red, but it's like uneven. Some of hairs are absolutely red, and some of them are like mine color, and they have very strange colors of these things, like this red and also white, grey, black, and very bright green. So I don't think that these colors are wearable. I don't know. Does it look good? I can't really see it. I would not say that this thing is very good, but it does something. It have a color, it gives a color to my hair, but colors are strange, and I don't know. I hope that I can wash it off easily because I don't want to have this. Oh, let's do another part, another side. Yeah, boy. I'm a rock girl. The next thing is like also very interesting. It's a brush, and it's a fan brush for powder. It's fan powder brush, and it costs under £1. And this thing is also was under £1. And here it is. It's a brush. It's rather soft, and I have my highlighter, put it here, and I'm scared. Oh my god. It's actually do something, why not? But it's like some of hair are out, and but you know it's under £1. It's like insane. It's like not the worst brush I would say. Next product is, it looks like this. Open it. The luminous sticks, something like this. And I mean, here we go. I want something more glamorous. It should like light up in the dark. Yeah, it does. It actually does. It actually does. Let me like show you. Fuck, after they can see it. When they were like, there was like a circus in my town, in my they sold these things. Oh my god, look at this. It's white. I'm interested in white. Oh my god, it's like shines. Let me do my freaking bracelet and be all glamorous. I don't like these things. What if I'm alone and I want to use it? Oh fuck. Next 2 hours. I can't. So they if I do like this, I'm an idiot. What the fuck? Let me show you another one. I'm impressed. It's like a thing of my childhood, thing of my fun times. I like it. Wait, what is Masaka? And oh my god, fix everything. Oh my god, I look so good. I look so good. I actually like these things. They're fun, but I know that they will not shine that long. It would be like maybe 3 hours, but it's fun. Yeah. And into two last things. It's a card holder. I'm wiser than you. I have scissors. And you know what? I think it looks not that bad. It was the most expensive item that I bought, but it looks like rather alright. Not like a shitty a thing that costed £1. And they have it in a lot of colors. They have brown, pink, purple, and I think that's all. Pink? Yeah, I said pink already. And I chose this one because I think it looks the most like luxurious, if you could say it in this situation. Yeah, I think I could use it like for my cards and be alright, be okay. Who could judge me? And the last thing of today's video is the cutest. And are you ready? You should be ready for this. It's socks. And there are bears on them. How cute is this? So, what I wanted to read this, to find reading this. What the fuck? Don't I know how to use socks? Well, and as you can see, it has this. They have these little ears, and they are dotted here, and they're like so cute. It was the last pair. They were like almost sold out, and I was like, I need this. Yeah, I think they are very cute, and they were all like cheap, affordable. I forgot that I have this stunning choker. I look rather original today, like all this red hair and jewelry. Don't play with me. Yeah, it was all. I think that's all that I wanted to show you. I hope that it was interesting for you and funny. Maybe subscribe before you leave this channel, because you should play with me, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.